Friday, the last day of the month, and I'm not supposed to be trading today, but I'm going to be taking a trade today, and I'm going to be showing you guys the full breakdown and the reason why I took a trade I'm currently in. Mind you, my projection is bearish to the sell side liquidity. So before that, let me show you guys the trade I took this particular week on XAU USD. I'm on XAU USD, and it was a bearish trade I took on Monday, and I anticipated on seeing price come all the way to the sell side liquidity, which price got to my TP1, but I was quite confident that price is still going to continue pushing lower, and FOMC proved me wrong. But it is what it is, you know. I mean, you can't always be 100% right, but I didn't lose any money on this particular trade because my break-even was at this particular level. I think I have MT5 screen recording. I'll just add it to this video just to show you guys. Well, I didn't lose any money on this particular trade, though I had the opportunity to take what I made when price reached my TP1, but I didn't. Like I said, it is what it is. Now, I've already done my top-down analysis, both with the pair I'm going to be correlating with XAU USD. So let me just show you guys the trade I took, and let me give you guys the reason I took the particular trade. First thing first, if you know what an inversion fair value gap is, which is an IVG, you'd have spotted this particular level. So this is an inversion fair value gap. What is an inversion fair value gap? Imbalance that has been disrespected. So this is a bullish imbalance, and it got disrespected, showing there's what bearish momentum to the downside. And after disrespecting it, this particular candle reclaimed into the inversion fair value gap, though we did not reach into the consequent encroachment of the inversion fair value gap, but we did reclaim it. And after reclaiming it, we kept pushing lower, so I obviously cannot take an entry here. I have to scale lower. Now I'm going to delete this, and we scale to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, what can I see? I see price failing to do what? Rebalance imbalances. So it created a bearish imbalance. We did not rebalance it. This is a valid imbalance. This is a far away gap, and you can see this is also an imbalance here. We're just like going lower, showing what there is massive bearish momentum. And what am I going to do now? I have to like take a continuation trade to the downside. Since price is pushing to the downside, I scale to the 30-minute time frame. Same thing happening here. A lot of imbalances and less reclaiming. Scale to the 15-minute time frame. What can I see on the 15-minute time frame? This is an imbalance, but I wanted to still scale to the lower time frame. This was the candle. This was when I got to my chart. This particular candle was in play when I opened my charts. I'm just waking up. I woke up not too long ago, around 12 or something, and yeah, I saw this and I was like, okay, price is reaching for this fair value gap, which is still an imbalance. And I was like, let me scale to the lower time frame, just the 5 minutes, to get a bit clarity. And like on the 5-minute time frame, it was much more clearer because this is a 5-minute imbalance, and this was where I took my trade from. So let me outline the 5-minute imbalance. I'm going to outline the 5-minute imbalance, and this candle was exactly where I like opened my trade, and my stop loss was at this particular high. And my TP, oh, this is where it is. My TP is going to be at this particular level, which is a 1 to 7 trade. Quite good, you know. Looks good. So I'm going to outline this 5-minute imbalance at the top. Looks clean. Anyways, so this is the trade. I took, and yeah, it's going to be a 1 to 7 risk reward. Now let me show you guys how my MT5 is looking. MT5. Alright, so uh, let me scale to the 5 minutes. So my stop loss was at that particular high, which I said, which is my stop loss was $45, and my TP is $290, and yeah. I didn't want to take any trade that is going to take hours. I just want to take something that's going to play out in minutes or an hour or two. So I'm going to give you guys an update on how the trade plays out. Be it a loss or winning trade, I'm going to show you guys. And for now, I have to do some exercise so I stay in shape. Anyways, alright. So the trade updates. It's been like an hour or two. I don't really know. This is the trade update. I break even on the trade. We're floating in 200 and something dollars profit. I'm just going to be taking I'm going to be taking my profit here because I'm actually comfortable. I'm going to be taking my profit here. Why? Because I'm comfortable with, I'm contented with what I have. Like I said, today is Friday, so I do not want to take any chance. Price is most definitely going to come for this TP. But I'm just going to be taking my TP there. I'm going to take I already took my profit there. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. Anyway, so that would be it for today, and that would be it for the end of this month. Yeah, so, and also, I know most of you don't know, I normally go live on Kick. So I normally live trade on Kick. If you don't know how to find my Kick, just go to my Twitter bio, is right over there. I added my Kick account link there. I live trade 2 to 3 times in a week. So you're most likely going to see me live trading on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, or sometimes Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I do not live trade on Friday because I go to mocks. And yeah, okay, let's see what is this. Alright, so that is it, TP. If I had held, same thing, but like I said, I was contented with the profit I made, and yeah, that was a successful trade. See y'all in the next one. And if you have an account you want to trade, probably like a prop firm, or you have a live account, you want to trade your account, feel free to join my live on Kick whenever I'm live streaming on Kick. That's Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Just make sure you follow my Kick account so you get notified when I'm live, and you can tap in, trade your prop firm, trade your everything for free. Bye.